So I've just got the tram from Alicante to Benidorm, and the tram was only €4.80 return. Yes, €4.80 return for the tram. Oof, what a bargain. What an absolute bargain. The first thing you need to do when you're trying to get a tram to Benidorm is don't get on the one down the seafront, because it doesn't take you to Benidorm. Back on the tram, going to the next stop so we can get on the right line to Benidorm.
It's a bit like Manchester.
Yeah.
I feel like I've gone back about 10 years.
Hi Andy. Welcome to Alicante. That's Andy from Mountain View Farm.
I think they know
Today,
by now.
today we're going from Alicante to Benidorm by tram. Yes, we're going to Benidorm by tram. What you can do, we made the mistake at the very start of the video, made the mistake of getting on down at the waterfront of, right next to Cien Monteditos, or 100 Monteditos if you're English, but Cien Monteditos in Alicante. And you can then jump on that tram and jump on one or two stops. Well, we jumped on, I think it was the next stop, and then you can get the tram to Benidorm. So don't worry, you might have to jump off. It is on the same tram line. You basically just jump off one tram, get onto the other, and then head to Benidorm. So we are now waiting for the tram from Alicante to Benidorm. Vamos.
Yeah, this tram is so much comfier than
Yeah. The only downside about this is it takes about an hour. Yeah, it takes about an hour, this tram. But it is an enjoyable journey. If I was on a flight, to be honest, I'd be sleeping by now. So what, we've got one stop to go. Got another stop. And then that is us at Benidorm. It's been an interesting journey so far, I must say. I will not lie. That was interesting, because when I get on a flight, I like to fall asleep straight away. That was what, an hour? What time is it?
halfway to Manchester, that.
Yeah, I know. That was
What time did we get on?
and to be fair, I stood all the way. Got on it 2, just after 1:45.
What, so it's 5 to...
Right, so that took over. You need to get a ticket. That took over just an hour and 5 minutes. Now we need to get a ticket to go through. So that's us. We've made it to Benidorm from Alicante by tram. There is 2 stations in Benidorm. We got off at the first one because we just want to head straight down to the beach area. So, what did you think of that tram journey?
Well, better than Manchester.
It's
It's long.
Yeah, it is. But it's unfortunate because we got a tram that had decals on the windows, so you couldn't get a good video. So apologies for the video footage of out the window because there was stickers on the window so that it's...
I think if we'd got on the right tram in the beginning as well, we wouldn't have been waiting around for like half an hour.
Yes, so it would have been a bit quick. But it's still, that one's still... We got that left at stop at 10:02. So it's took an hour and 5 minutes.
Yeah.
There is a quicker one that you can get, but you need to book. You need to check the tram times. That's what I'd say. Anyway, thanks for watching our Alicante to Benidorm tram video. Look at the next one in Benidorm. Hasta luego.